Storm Window Replacement Westwego LA helps protect homes from harsh weather while improving comfort and efficiency. Homeowners looking for window replacement Westwego LA often choose storm window installation, drafty window solutions, and window sealing services to reduce air leaks and strengthen older openings. A local window replacement company, Westwego LA, can inspect frames, glass, and sashes to recommend the best residential window replacement plan. Whether the project involves broken window installation, window glass replacement, or complete house window replacement near Westwego LA, the goal is the same: better performance, better protection, and better value for affordable residential windows. Westwego Louisiana. Energy-efficient window replacement Westwego LA is one of the smartest upgrades for lowering utility costs and improving year-round comfort. New energy-efficient windows, double-pane window replacement, and insulated glass replacement can help stop heat transfer and reduce outside noise in busy Westwego Louisiana neighborhoods. Many homeowners also compare soundproof windows and residential glazing Westwego LA options when they want a quieter interior. A trusted window contractor can evaluate old panes, failed seals, and frame damage, then recommend window upgrade services that match the home's style and budget while delivering long-term savings. House window installation in Westwego LA works best when the right product is matched to each room and opening. Homeowners planning window replacement Westwego LA projects often compare new construction windows, retrofit window installation, and custom window sizes to find the best fit for their property. Home window replacement may include vinyl replacement windows, window frame replacement, or custom window installation Westwego LA, depending on the condition of the structure. For homeowners planning a full upgrade, window replacement services in Westwego Louisiana should include precise measurements, professional fitting, and dependable finishing to support long-lasting performance and curb appeal. Sliding windows, casement windows, and awning windows are popular choices for Westwego LA home window installation because they offer ventilation, easy operation, and modern style. Sliding window replacement Westwego LA is ideal for wide openings, while casement window installation Westwego LA works well for airflow and security. Awning windows fit beautifully in bathrooms, kitchens, and tight spaces where flexibility matters. A residential window contractor can recommend the best style based on the home layout, local climate, and energy goals, making window upgrade contractor Westwego LA services more effective for everyday living. Broken window replacement Westwego LA should never be delayed because damaged glass can affect safety, comfort, and security. Window glass replacement, insulated glass replacement, and broken window installation are essential services for homes dealing with cracks, fogging, or failed seals. Residential glazing Westwego LA specialists can restore clarity and performance while helping prevent drafts and moisture intrusion. For homeowners seeking window sealing Westwego LA and drafty window installation Westwego Louisiana, prompt attention from residential window contractors Westwego LA can stop further damage and protect the structure from costly installations. Vinyl replacement windows Westwego Louisiana remain a top option for homeowners wanting durability, low maintenance, and strong insulation. These windows are often chosen for new windows for homes Westwego LA because they resist warping, peeling, and heavy upkeep. Double-pane windows Westwego LA and energy-efficient windows are especially valuable in humid Gulf Coast conditions, where performance matters. A window contractor can explain color, frame, and glass options while also handling window frame installation Westwego LA when older openings need reinforcement before installation begins. Bay window replacement and picture window replacement Westwego LA can dramatically change the look and feel of a home. These styles bring in more natural light, expand views, and create architectural interest that boosts curb appeal. Bay window installation Westwego Louisiana is especially effective for living rooms and front-facing spaces, while picture windows work well for open, scenic areas. Homeowners comparing residential window replacement options often choose these larger units to combine style with efficiency. A local expert can also pair them with insulated glass replacement and window sealing services for better performance. Retrofit windows. Westwego LA are a practical solution for homeowners who want updated performance without a full tear-out. Retrofit window installation can preserve existing interior and exterior finishes while upgrading the home with better glass, improved ceiling, and modern framing. Residential window replacement in older Westwego homes often benefits from this approach because it reduces disruption and still delivers noticeable comfort improvements. For homeowners searching for house window replacement near Westwego LA, retrofit choices may provide the right balance of affordability, speed, and energy-efficient window replacement. Westwego LA value. Window frame installation. Westwego LA is often needed before or during home window replacement because damaged frames can compromise the entire system. A skilled residential window contractor can inspect rot, warping, gaps, and structural wear, then recommend window frame replacement or installation as needed. This matters for vinyl replacement windows. Westwego Louisiana, custom window sizes, and sliding windows alike. Proper framing supports smooth operation, better insulation, and longer lifespan, making it a core part of window replacement services in Westwego Louisiana and surrounding communities. Westwego LA residential window replacement services help homeowners transform outdated openings into efficient, attractive, and secure features. Whether the project includes awning windows, casement windows, double-pane window replacement, or storm window replacement. Westwego LA, the right team can handle every step from measurement to installation. Home window replacement, window glass replacement, and residential glazing should be completed by a local window replacement company. Westwego LA, familiar with the climate and housing styles. For window replacement. Westwego LA, homeowners want reliable craftsmanship, affordable residential windows. Westwego Louisiana, and results that last. For homeowners seeking window replacement. Westwego LA, a local window replacement company. Westwego LA can deliver residential window replacement, home window replacement, and house window installation with fast turnaround and dependable service. From window replacement services in Westwego Louisiana to house window replacement near Westwego LA, the right window contractor provides custom window sizes, custom window installation. Westwego LA, and affordable residential windows. Westwego Louisiana, for every property. Whether the project calls for new windows for homes. Westwego LA, or a full window upgrade contractor. Westwego LA, choosing residential window contractors. Westwego LA helps ensure durable results and long-term value. Energy-efficient window replacement. Westwego LA is one of the smartest upgrades for lowering utility costs and improving comfort. Double-pane window replacement. Double-pane windows. Westwego LA, insulated glass replacement, and energy-efficient windows help reduce heat transfer while supporting drafty window solutions and window sealing services. Westwego LA. Homeowners looking for quiet interiors can also benefit from soundproof windows and residential glazing. Westwego LA. From window upgrade services to window glass replacement, the right materials and installation methods create better insulation, improved performance, and stronger protection for homes throughout Westwego Louisiana. Vinyl replacement windows. Westwego LA and vinyl replacement windows. Westwego Louisiana remain popular choices for homeowners who want low maintenance style and dependable efficiency. Whether replacing aging frames or installing new construction windows, retrofit window installation, retrofit windows. Westwego LA, and window frame replacement can be tailored to match the home's needs. Broken window installation, broken window replacement. Westwego LA, window frame installation. Westwego LA, and insulated glass replacement. Westwego Louisiana are also key services for restoring safety and curb appeal. A skilled window contractor can recommend the best solution for long-lasting residential performance. Style matters just as much as function, and Westwego LA residential window replacement options include awning windows, sliding windows, casement windows, picture windows, and bay window replacement. Homeowners can also request bay window installation. Westwego Louisiana, sliding window replacement. Westwego LA, casement window installation. Westwego LA, and picture window replacement. Westwego LA to enhance ventilation, natural light, and architectural character. Storm window installation and storm window replacement. Westwego LA add another layer of protection, especially for homes needing extra durability. With the right design, window replacement. Westwego LA can transform both appearance and comfort. Window sealing. Westwego LA and drafty window installation. Westwego Louisiana are essential for maintaining indoor comfort in Louisiana's changing weather conditions. Proper house window installation, residential glazing, and window glass replacement help reduce air leakage while supporting better energy performance year-round. New construction windows, residential window contractors. Westwego LA and Westwego LA home window installation services provide flexible options for remodels and builds alike. For homeowners comparing options, Westwego LA residential window replacement delivers dependable craftsmanship, improved efficiency, and attractive results through expert window replacement services in Westwego, Louisiana, making window replacement. Westwego LA a valuable long-term investment for comfort and curb appeal.